PuriBreeze is being promoted as a high-tech food purifier that removes pesticides, bacteria, and toxins in minutes. But the real question is whether it actually cleans your food or if it's just marketing built on a real concept. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The device uses electrolysis to create microbubbles in water, which is a real scientific process used in some industrial cleaning systems. However, here's the key point. There is no solid evidence that this small consumer device cleans food better than normal washing methods. There are some limited positives. It may help loosen dirt or surface residue slightly, make washing more convenient, provide a hands-off cleaning process. But these are basic effects, not unique or proven to be superior. That said, the concerns are significant. First, no proven effectiveness. There's no credible third-party testing showing it removes pesticides or bacteria better than rinsing or simple soaking methods. Second, exaggerated claims. Marketing promises like eliminates toxins and bacteria, deep cleans beyond rinsing, are much stronger than what's scientifically proven. From community discussion, skepticism is common. Sounds like snake oil, just wash your produce. So, does PuriBreeze actually clean your food? Not in any proven or meaningful way beyond normal washing. The bottom line is this. PuriBreeze is based on a real concept, but heavily overhyped. It might help a little with surface cleaning, but it's not a reliable or necessary upgrade over simple methods like rinsing or soaking with baking soda. If your goal is safer food, basic, proven practices would do just as much without the extra cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.